shuffle mode. So what is the use of this one? We'll discuss. As we are providing the many function like high level operations in files, collection of files. Already we discussed about the file. Before the regular expression, we have discussed about the file like copying file, removing file from the directory, or how the contents are copied from one file to another file. Using the program Python, we are using, there are two files we are searching. One is source file, another one is destination file, or we may also consider as directory. So we are using the directory. We are providing certain permission to the directory. As you already know that the file has a certain permission. We already discussed read, write, read only, write only. Some of the permission we will provide to the file. Based on the permission, we are identifying certain metadata. Metadata means like data of data. The word metadata we use, data of data means if any information is available from briefly we written. Like an example, the best example for the metadata is your index. We will write index in your book. So by using the index, we can identify which topic is in which file location. So all the informations are stored in the metadata or other information. By using the source is nothing but the file. But we are providing from one file, that is source file, another one file is destination file. A destination may be directory or file. So I am copying one file, I am pasting into the directory by using the file name. So suppose if the file is already available in the your folder, we can replace it. Replace the source file with a new file that you have created. Already you know that how the copy and paste will be done. The same thing, how to use using the Python, the content of the file can be copied and paste. Already you have used this type of information in your laptop or file. Already you know how to create the directory, how the files can be moved from one location to another location. But we did manually, but how to use using the program we are discussing now. So what is the syntax for the this shuttle method? So like we are using, we are copy the content. When you want to copy the content from one file to another, so that we are using dot copies. That is a source is nothing but destination file, source comma destination where you are copying and where you want to paste, and we are providing the some links means the location or the path what we call where we want to copy the content and where we want to paste the content, that we call path is nothing but location of the file. So path indicate source file location. Similarly, we require the path for the destination file. From particular file location, I want to copy and I want to paste into the some other location. Both are required path. Suppose I want to take the copy from D drive, I want to paste into E drive. So D drive is so path and E drive is path. So we are providing the certain symbol link optionally. So this is nothing but it's a parameter we are using, either a true or false it represent whether the destination file is available, or if it is not available you have to create the links. So that we are using the symbol link, or we can also call that as a keyword we are representing in your particular parameter. So by using that one, we are written 3 to 4 example, 3 to 4 code I written, just copied for using how to use this shuffle method for copying from file from source to destination. I want to copy the method from source to destination. For writing this one, we written one example. So whichever the hash symbol is there, that is not going to write in your program. That is for its command line for identification purpose. So here command Python program to explain shuttle copy method. So as you are using import OS, so we are using the OS here. As we are using the regular expression, we are using RE. Similarly, we can use OS model, and in OS model we are using shuttle model. So first, what I am using the path. Path means the copy the location. What is the location here? Path equal to home user directory. Anywhere you can use. I am using the path of your file that is stored in a variable path. That is the home user document. My file is available in the document. That is the path that is stored in a variable path. Now I want to make the list of files directories in home user document. How many files are available in the document? How many directories are available in the document? Automatically it is listed. As we are identifying, we are checking how many files are available in the documents. So just we are checking डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर कितने फाइल से डायरेक्टरी आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं हम. सो ऑलरेडी वी आर गिवन द पाथ इक्वल टू होम यूजर डॉक्यूमेंट. वी आर जस्ट चेकिंग हाउ मेनी फाइल्स आर अवेलेबल एंड डायरेक्टरी अवेलेबल इन द डॉक्यूमेंट. बिफोर आफ्टरवर्ड्स क्या करें, जस्ट बिफोर आइडेंटिफाइंग प्रिंट कॉपी फाइल. Before copying file, what is the information, what is the location, how many files are available, how many directories are available, that I am printing. Print os dot list directory in bracket path means in the document I want to check how many files are available and how many directories, that I am printing. Before copying the content, I am checking the how many files and directories are available. Once I check, next what we are going to use, next what we are going to implement is, so just I want to use the source के अंदर हम क्या करें, home user document dot file dot txt. In the document just I listed how many, which are the files are available. After checking that I taken one normal file. आपको क्या है उसमें से एक फाइल पिक कर रहा है. सपोज फाइल डॉट टेक्स्ट आपका एक फाइल इज अवेलेबल इन द डॉक्यूमेंट. जस्ट आई आइडेंटिफाइड दैट इज माय सोर्स. उसको हम क्या कंसीडर करें, सोर्स फाइल कंसीडर करें. दैट इज अवेलेबल. सपोज फाइल डॉट टीएक्सटी डॉक्यूमेंट के अंदर आपने उसको सोर्स पर दिया. जस्ट बिफोर दैट आई एम चेकिंग द परमिशन. व्हाट, प्रिंट द फाइल परमिशन. Print the file permission. So what the permission we are using, whether the file is given read permission or write permission, read only, write only, of the source, what type of permission is given to the file, just I am checking. For printing purpose I am taking one variable, you can take any name, that os dot stat source, os dot stat source dot st mode means file mode, which type of permission we are given to the file mode. Just I said read or write, which type of mode is given, I want to store in the variable pair. Next, file permission mode, which is the permission. Suppose it is read only rw, I think you already learned in your Linux Unix, rw r wr, this type of is written, that is called permission. कौन सा परमिशन है आपको चेक कर रहे हैं. चेक करने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं आप, os डॉट स्टैट सोर्स डॉट एस टी डॉट मोड को फंक्शन है, मेथड है, इसका जो भी कंटेंट जो भी मोड है वो कौन से वेरिएबल में जा रहा है, prm बोल के वेरिएबल लिए, उसके अंदर हम परमिशन ऐड किए. ये तो आपका नॉर्मल प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट है, प्रिंट फाइल परमिशन मोड. तो उसके बाद वेरिएबल है उसका prm, जो भी आपका इंफॉर्मेशन रहेगा मोड वो आपको प्रिंट हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली हम क्या करें, डेस्टिनेशन का पाथ कर रहे हैं. तो ये हो गया आपका सोर्स पाथ, ये हो गया आपका डेस्टिनेशन. डेस्टिनेशन वी आर आल्सो यूजिंग इन द सेम डॉक्यूमेंट, लोकेशन सेम है, होम यूजर डॉक्यूमेंट, बट द फाइल नेम इज डिफरेंट. फाइल डॉट इन ब्रैकेट वी आर यूजिंग कॉपी डॉट टीएक्सटी. जो भी आपका फाइल नेम है उसके अंदर ब्रैकेट के अंदर क्या करें हम, COPY लिखे डॉट टीएक्सटी. सो लोकेशन, ये फाइल हम कॉपी कर रहे हैं, location of the file, it's a file name in bracket we are using copy dot txt means it tells the compiler this is the original file, this is the copied. How it will work, if you download the same file from the net, it is appear down. Suppose the file name is file dot txt, again if you download it automatically comes file in bracket 1 dot txt. Already you may check it, you can also check from the browser, download the same file twice, automatically in bracket it appear the numbers. Same way we are using destination file. Next what we are using, copy the content of source to destination. So just we have taken one variable, this is the location path, location source path, this is a destination path. We have taken one third variable dest, I want to copy the content from source to file. Like how we are using string copy, same time it will work. Destination dst shutil dot copy source to destination. सोर्स जो कंटेंट है आपका फाइल का वो कॉपी कहां पर हो रहा है, डेस्टिनेशन. We return source and destination. Both are written. The content of this file is copied to this file. Then again once I copied, again we are checked previously also. Before also we checked print before copying file, print the information. Then again I am using print after copying file, print os.list directory path. So that before the copying, what is the information, after copying, what are the changes we got, that we have to see. So once we write the print os.list that directory after copying, so we are printing the file permission. So again already we are using the file permission. You can see the file permission mode is. Once we copy, after copying also, we are taken the PRM os.status.destination. So here we are taken source, the location of the source we have printed, file permission. Now, after copying, we are printing the destination file permission mode, PRM os.stat destination dot file mode. So that is available, file permission mode PRM. Now I am printing the file, print path of newly created file, print destination path dst. So dst is already written here. सोर्स से डेस्टिनेशन कॉपी लिख के आपने कॉपी इंफॉर्मेशन हो गया dest के अंदर. That file we are going to be print destination path dst. I copied the source file and I paste into another file. After pasting the file is available in dst. I want to print the path of the file by using print statement. So in this way we will get the output for the file. Suppose before copying, so the file available is png test.py sample.txt file.txt. So what we have taken, file.txt we have taken, copy.ccp. These are the file available before copying. The file permission mode is 33188, number is there. After copying the file, what we got, same is the test.py sample.txt. Then we got file text. Then what the file name here is in file, in bracket we written copy text. So this is the new file we got once we copy that one. All informations are same. Only what the file name we are given, that file name is appear, file copy.txt. Remaining files are same. Next, the file permission mode is same, 33188. Destination path is home user document file copy.txt. Already we are given the destination in the program also. Same, you can also see here. Already given the destination path, same it is printed. Home user document file.copy.txt. Same what we printed here, same it is printed. You can see the destination path, home user document file.txt.